Everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Susie by name. Yes, a pioneer of one love, everyone. And a dancer queen, African dancer queen. So how are you doing? Hope you are doing good. So today is Sunday 26th January 2025. Yes, and I want to take you along with me. I want to prepare a meal, beans porridge. Yes, so I would like to show you the recipes, how I prepare my beans. Yes, from the beginning to the finishing. Yes, pause and give me a smile, a big smile, a big smile, a big smile. Smile is good. It's healthy. Yes, don't mind me. Don't mind me. So can you give me a like? Give me a like. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, don't forget to like this video, and also drop your comment after watching the video. Drop your comment on what you feel about the recipes from the comment section, because we share the video out so others can watch it. Thank you so much. Yes, there's love. It's part of love. When you share the video, it's love. It's love. It costs nothing to be kind. So let's get started. Here is beans. Yeah, it's white beans. And this type of beans that have this black spot is called iron beans. You can see that's black eye. It's called iron beans. There are different types of, in fact, more than 10. We have about I think 12, 11, almost 15 different types of beans. So this is one of it. So I'm cooking it plenty like this so that I can preserve some in the refrigerator. So the measurement, I use this cup to measure, which is 9 milk cup. 9 milk cup. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this to measure. So let's get started by picking out this one we sharp. So this beans is direct from the village. Yes, the one we farm in the village. Yes, it's organic because there's no preservative. There's not any preservative. It's organic. Yes, so let me pick out these ones. Picking out the date, I'm going to be washing the beans, rinse it thoroughly. I'm going to be rinsing it thoroughly. Yes, so that I'll boil it to remove the water. So I've rinsed it thoroughly. I'm turning hot water inside so that it can boil very fast because I'm using charcoal. Okay. Yeah, so let me cover it. Yeah, I've boiled the beans, so I want to turn this water. See my filter here, so I'm going to be turning it inside. You can see the water is dark. So I've rinsed the beans. I've removed the dirty water. I also use another clean water to rinse it. So now I'm going to be putting my ingredients. So I'm using 4 Maggi star. I'm adding salt. And here is ginger. I just crush it now with mortar. Ginger. We added the ginger. oil. I'm going to be putting palm oil. I'm not frying it today. I'm not frying it. I'm not doing fry. But I hardly even fry my oil, because sometimes when you bleach the oil, you end up clean the oil. The male healthy one, you end up burning it. I'm also adding dry scent leaf. I dried it. That's a way to preserve it. Here is chili pepper. I'm going to be adding chili pepper too. This dried one. This dried one. I also added dry onions. Yes. Sorry, I'm using flashlight and it's going over and on. So I want to turn in some boiled water. Just small. Okay, I will steam the beans. Actually, why I didn't fry the oil, because the oil is very good. The oil is very good, so that's why I don't bother to fry it. So I'm going to be covering it and put it in. Let me stir it. Let me use spatula to mix it together. Then I'll cover it and put it on fire back to steam. For it to steam. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's okay. So the beans is okay. Yeah. So this night we're going to be eating like that. Then probably the subsequent time, because I'm going to be refrigerating the rest. Yes, then maybe when we're eating it, we'll boil potato or plantain. Yeah. So but right now, let me take a taste.